Symbol making. Magte-tent kami dito. Tadang! Camping kami dito. Oh, char. Saan ka pa? There you go. We are there. Yeah. And yung is our little tent. Ang sun lumabas na. The sun. Going down and explore inside the shop. Going home, back to the house that we've been renting. Goodbye, beach. Goodbye. Goodbye, beach. Bye-bye. Let's go in.
What?
Muscle.
I don't want my...
Right, cheers guys! Ayan, may pims ang lola nyo. Cheers! After a long day, we need to have a drink. Oops. Teka lang. Anyway, cheers. Yun na. Kainan na. Ayan ang pagkain. Ayan, ako masarap siya.
Presentable, isn't it?
Very
I suppose that's
presentable ang
chive.
pagkain. Ayan. Ito, kain pa mo.
Yeah, but with
Ayan.
that looks...
View, may steak. Ito naman yung sa akin, may rice. Rice is life. Ayan pa. Kaya tikman na natin yung pagkain nila dito. It smells good naman. Kaya lang, marami siya. Malaking portion. It looks really yummy, diba? Pag mainit kaya hip 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 pa. Masarap siya, day. Ayan pa. Ang daming gulay. So, worth it siya. Marami siyang gulay, guys. Masarap. Ibang klase din. Oh, char, diba? Ayan, kita mo naman, halos ubos lahat, halos nasingot lahat. Pak, pak, pak. Enjoy ang dinner namin. Yun lang. We're finished eating. Ice cream. Ang pistachio. I'll show you ice cream. Day 2 and today is sunny, so it's lucky day. We are going for a walk in the town. Look at all the wall here, it's beautiful flower. It's pretty here, look at that. Nice and quiet. Very relaxing view. Ayan, mga surfers. Malamig pa rin dito. It's the same, the water. But it's nice and quiet. Munimuni.com.
Here was an open air place, this wasn't it, James? Should we have a look there that we saw?
Let's go in here. What they got to offer. Tent na naman kami. Ayan, relaxing moment. My view. Turn around.
Why?
This is very old hut, doesn't it?
I would think so, yeah, it's very old.
And that is their church. Church now?
Yes, it's
Oh,
Church
Saint
of England.
Mary. Oh, Church of England, Saint Mary.
Is it open? Oh look, it's your home, look, Rose Cottage.
Nice little town. We're going here in the pub. Eat. Oh, look at that. They have banana here. There's a banana, look. Oh.
Did you see them? Right on.
We're back here. We're the last year.
Smuggler's Rest, you see that? What interests me is there an EV charging point here?
There is,
Somehow I think
look.
not.
You have to pay. We're back here. Time to explore again in the village.
Look.
What do you want? Do you want to change it? Oh, look at this. Oh, I see.